Hi guys, my name is Michael Shkreli. I'm the executive chef here at the Spring House Hotel on Block Island, Rhode Island, and I'm here to tell you what makes me an extreme chef. This is how extreme we are. We go hunting, we get the fresh animals, and then we cook it. Hey guys, Chef Mike here. We're over here at Block Island in the middle of December. About to show you guys what makes me so extreme. We're going diving for some fresh sea scallops. We got some fresh scallops. Nice and live. Oh my God. Hey guys, this is the farm at Block Island, where I like to come spend some time and relax, hang out when I get off work. And I come hang out with all the animals, come get some fresh eggs.
A little bit about me. 25 years old, one of the younger chefs around in the areas, and you know, I feel like that gives me an edge over some older competitors. I still have that fire and passion burning deep inside, and I like to show it off. You know, I can do anything you give me, I'll make you something fantastic. Being put in any kind of circumstances, I can show and adapt and make my skills highlight and my techniques. And here we have a nice surf and turf with some curry spiced venison and some nice fresh Block Island based scallops.